Listen, look, I think it's time for power moves. Although it may be rude for me to intrude and introduce this dude as the greatest, bringing you the latest, hoping the people get a chance to play this music you can relate with. And on the topic of who's the hottest, you start debate about this dude down south who's tired of waiting. His patience wore out, even with the fake, and I'm never mistaken what you're all about. It's easy to run your mouth while sitting on the couch. When I'm out, I move quiet like that mouse in your house. There's no doubt this rapper life is appealing. I'm willing to take a break. I can't wait and hesitate till I levitate to heaven's gates. By then it's too late, and you's a fool if you don't appreciate. I produce a feeling similar to being baked. Recognize my face and let these rappers know it's time to brace for impact. In fact, advise them to detach and let it all go. You can tell they're too comfortable of an individual, only worried about the centerfolds. They the ones sounding like beginners though. I'm at a place only winners go. You see me, open the doors of my palace. You've been to the place with more stars than Dallas. It's here you guys can finally have it. Trey D and JJ, sound the alarms, this is Mayday. Keep your composure, the day I found the mic is the day I found closure. Found closure. The day I found the mic is the day I found closure. Saying you won't give me a second spin, it's like you telling your friends you'll never drink again. Then them thoughts start seeping in. Old press record, and I've turned into a beast. Let loose off the leash again. A Wolverine, I beat the beat, blue and green. They call me Young Mike, cause I'm off the wall. I've been seeing the lights underneath me since my baby crawls. Sometimes you have to break the laws to break through walls. No need for feelings to get involved. When it comes to living life, I feel like I'm Ray Charles. I haven't seen my problem solved with money yet, but then again, I don't know if they will anyway. Confusing. Tell me what you're determined to be. When you look into the mirror, let me know what you see. I see a K-I-N-G, and that's not because of the tat under my right arm. It's because I possess the charm with a spirit as beautiful as the dawn. Welcome to Fremo Ave, here's a dap, the journey's just begun. Come on, open the doors of my palace. You've been to the place with more stars than Dallas. It's here you guys can finally have it. Trey D and JJ, sound the alarms, this is Mayday. Keep your composure, the day I found the mic is the day I found closure. Found closure. The day I found the mic is the day I found closure.